President of the National Council on Public Transportation, Godfrey Ferdinand, is suggesting that bus drivers and passengers who fail to adhere to the COVID-19 protocols be slapped with ticket fines. There has been a litany of complaints from both commuters and omnibus operators regarding the use of masks, social distancing, and limited occupancy levels on public buses. Ferdinand says he is aware of the lingering challenges.
We know that there are issues on the ground. We've always encouraged, from the council's perspective, that members of the different associations, in other words, operators, they take heed to what the CMO is saying, and that is that they should abide with the 10 passengers and that they should wear masks. However, with the 10 passengers, there is a small clause to it in that if you have 10 and you get members of the same family coming or stopping you, you could take them, which would make it between 10 and 13, 10 and 12. In terms of the wearing of masks, we at council have encouraged individuals. If you see a bus and the driver is not using the mask, do not go on the bus. The same with the operator. If the operator sees a passenger on the bus not wearing the mask, they can request that the person get off the bus.
The bus lobby is cognizant of discretion being the better part of valor, but maintains that the health and safety of all should supersede the liberty of a few. Ferdinand believes there should be consistency on personnel as well as collective responsibility, especially during a pandemic.
I'm aware that some of them are afraid of the confrontation, but I must say that if individuals, members of the public, are going to all institutions and they're wearing masks, why not on the bus? And it just shows that the bus operator needs to show more respect to his work environment as well as more respect to himself by enforcing what is nationally pronounced by the CMO, that person should wear masks on a public bus.
But Ferdinand is under no illusion that enforcement remains a sticking point. It's a topic that will garner a lot of attention at an upcoming meeting of the Ncopt, stakeholders, and the Minister for Transport. The Ncopt president believes there should be a penalty.
I think that's our area of concern. Enforcement is an issue for us. It's an issue for the police also. And at our meeting on Thursday, we will discuss maybe the best approach to how we will go ahead enforcing this within the different associations, because all the presidents will be there, the minister will be there. So we will look at the different approaches that we can use. From my perspective, I would really like to see that not wearing of masks on a public bus be a ticketable offence, as well to the passenger and to the operator. If you're not wearing your mask, that's a ticket for you.
For Godfrey Ferdinand, the threat of a traffic ticket dissuades commuters and bus drivers alike from contravening the COVID-19 protocols in the public transport system. He is of the opinion this would make the work of the council and the police a lot easier in enforcing the rules and regulations during the pandemic. Joachim Duplessis, HTS News Force.